Now, one thing I'd like us to explore a bit further is it's all well and good looking at the customers, and anyone listening to this is probably like, yeah, we've heard this all before, we know this. But one thing they don't look at is the SWOT of their team. So let's take the SWOT away from the customers and let's start looking internally, because again, back to that control the controllables. You can understand about your clients, but you sometimes can't control what they do. And therefore, the one thing you can control is is people within your organization. But actually within the team, you can't have everyone that's a big picture player. The organization will fail, right? We need some people to deliver. Again, whenever I talk to people about this, I play a lot of sports, so I call it the five-a-side football team. Have we got the goalkeeper or maybe the strategic player? But then, okay, we're going to need some executors. So have we got a creative, or have we got someone that's going to look after data or process, or perhaps looking at maybe numerical thinkers? I mean, look at who's going to look
that slide up and have a look at who's our five-a-side team on our e-commerce.
This is it. Build your dream team and then work around them and play to each other's strengths. And that kind of takes us on nicely to, as a business owner or founder, you have to be prepared to let go of the baby. And that's something that I'm constantly talking to with our clients, is saying, I know you're passionate about it. I know you care about it. I know it hurts. I know it feels weird. But at the same time, you are actually suffocating the business by being so involved. You have to, at some point, take a step back, take your emotion out of it, and let the people that you've hired that are better than you actually deliver the product.